little ducks washing in the tub, splashing water, rub-a-dub-dub. Soap bubbles floating up so high, they giggle, laugh, and quack with joy. 4 little ducks scrubbing their feet, making the bathroom nice and neat. One slipped softly on the mat. Quack, said Mama, careful with that. 3 little ducks playing with foam, making bubble hats like a dome. One blew bubbles big and round, they floated gently to the ground. 2 little ducks washing their wings, flap, flap, water everywhere springs. They splash and laugh in happy mood, bath time fun is very good. 1 little duck rinsing his head, water drops falling where he tread. Mama duck smiles, warm and kind, clean little ducks are what I find. 5 clean ducks wrapped in a towel tight, soft and warm, feeling just right.